is valid only for 1 year. Pag may na nakagawas bag-o nga registry, maulahiya ma-cease an iya validity. So kung wala ka pa ka-hire nga adto ka previous nga RQA, paghimo na lahan retention. Ngan mas maupay kung animo animo letter for retention and updating, mahisabay han documents nga isa-submit han district offices nga diha division office yan nga Friday. And let me bring to your attention, my dear teacher applicants, DepEd Order number 7, series of 2015, on the hiring guidelines for Teacher 1 positions effective next school year. And Ruby, kindly show the slide on item number 7. So while having the presentation, I would like to request those who are virtually present to put to the mute mode the microphone. And if you have some questions or concerns that you wanted to raise, just make use of the chat box. Gamitin po natin yung chat box, and babasahin ko yung chat box, and I will address the concerns that you have after or during the presentation, provided it is the topic that is on hand. So for item 7, we have the evaluation and selection procedure and criteria. I believe you are all applicants for the elementary. Item 7, Ruby, on applicants shall be evaluated using the following criteria. We have education, item 7, we have education, 20 points, teaching experience, 15, LET, 15, specialized training and skills, 10, interview, 10, demonstration teaching, 15, and communication skills, 15. Your communication these communication skills pertain to your English proficiency test. So for education, may da kasi mga eskwelahan nga danay diri klarado ang pag-compute han GWA, danan evaluation committee pa nagkikinumpute ipapakorean. So mas maupay kung pag-submit niyo may dana good certificate nga naka-attach kunanan iyo general weighted average. Then if you are a second coursers, dapat naka-attach sa nimo GWA, nimo baccalaureate degree, and then another certificate containing your general weighted average para iyo second course or PTCP. Ngayon pag-compute iton into total ang tanan nga units, ngayon tanan nga rating divided by the units, amo ito nan magiging score niyo equivalent point diha general weighted average. Then for teaching experience, ani kaduha teaching experience in early childhood, kindergarten, preschool, elementary, secondary, tertiary. Kung nagtuto ka college, kung nagtuto ka TESDA, for every point 0.15 kada bulan. So 0.15 kada bulan. In 1 year, kung may ka teaching experience nga 1 year, diri hiya times 12, times 10 la hiya, kay 10 months la an klase. So For 10 months, you will be earning 1.50 points. And take note, the full 0.15 point per month of teaching experience shall be given to the applicants who have come from schools and institutions that are government accredited or recognized. Certificate of employment shall be used to determine validity of teaching experience. So dapat, kung nag-teach ka private school, elementary, na private, may dahil school ID. Kaya may school ID nga ni, gamit itong parahan, pwede hiya ma-credit. And teaching experience of kindergarten volunteer teacher and LGU-funded teachers shall merit additional points on top of the score they obtained from the above points. And hadto pa ini nga una kay kadamon LGU. For let rating, may da kita table. Halimbawa, an imo result is 80. So you belong to the group 70 to 80, you will be earning 12 points. Pero halimbawa, ano mo naman rating is 80.7, we allow now the rounding off and make it 81. So adi ka na yan na ha, 81 to 83 nga linya. So ano mo magiging rating is, magiging ma-earn mga points is already 13. So kitaan niyo ano yung mga rating kung may mga decimal points nga higher than or 5 or higher than 5 para may round off. Then for specialized training, specialized training, you will present a certificate containing 10 days of training. So the scoring today is 5 points or nothing, meaning 5 or 0. Waray 1, wara 2, wara 3, wara 4. So it should be 5 or 10. So upon presentation, dito na mo folder, pag check ang evaluation committee, pag may ka certificate of training at 10 days, tatagang kalaanayan rating of 5. Then you will do the demonstration of the skill for you to earn 5 points. And paghatag liwatan na demo and skills, 5 or 0. Halimbawa, na perfect o okay ang imo presentation na paborhay mo ang evaluator nga may da kay skill nga naipakita, tatagan ka 5. Waray 4, wala pong 3, wala pong 2, wala pong 1. Kasi yung scoring, 5 or nothing. In the course of your presentation, halimbawa, housekeeping, pero dili ka ngayon maara mag-housekeep kaya imo lang nakuha, papilan imo yung present. So you will earn nothing. So 0 nakabutang. Halimbawa, an imo in situ or naka-join ka training computer hardware servicing. So may 5 points ka. But during the demonstration teaching, dili ka nga ni maara kung ananuhon nanimuon sa computer hardware and servicing, di ka maaram. So, you will earn nothing. So, 0 ang imo ibabutang. We are emphasizing this and for retention o kinakam sa presentation of skills kay sadto basta may papel, 10 points na. But we have to follow DepEd Order number 7 nga dapat ipademo pa ang skills training because we wanted to see what are the skills that you got from your training that are greatly related to the job that you are presently applying this time as a teacher. Halimbawa, since you are an elementary applicant, if you have a certificate on NC2 for bread and pastry, gamit man niya ang bread and pastry because you have the Hikasi, then we advocate entrepreneurship for our students. So pwede siya magamit. Bookkeeping, because we have mathematics in elementary. Massage, kasi may health and wellness, nagagamit ito natin. computer hardware and servicing, may gamit siya kay in times of pandemic, technology, anaton ko din gagamit. Pero there are some siguro depende na ito na committee pag-evaluate if they will be crediting the points. But what is important is the certificate of training. It does not necessarily mean that it's a TESDA certificate. You can acquire those certificates from other institutions that are training providers, giving workshop provided it is 10 days. Kung may naka-certificate nga 9 days la, di relat pwede. May ka napulong ang certificate nga tag 1 day, di relat pwede. May ka tulong ang certificate tag 3 days la, di relat pwede. Kay dapat in one certificate, it should be at least 10 days of training. Then, for interview, 10 points. Paya nila pagbaton sa interview, and for demo, it's 10 points. So on APT, we have only, for communication skills, we have the validity of the APT is only for 2 years. And kung karuyag nimo madugnan ang imo rating, karag mo mag-retake yan na, DEA does not allow this one. Kung makalusot ka man, pag-take yan na, paghatag nito ng result, makikita itong DEA. Kaya siguro na traffic land era system. So, I now entertain questions from those who are virtually present para malaksi kita. Good morning po, sir. How about po from Salome Bakilid, and daycare teacher, counted po ba ito? And daycare is DSWD. So, ibaan panutduan dito na daycare compared to that of kindergarten in the Department of Education. And take note, let's bring you back the PED order number 7. It says accredited by the Department of Education. Sir, yung mga nag-attend po ba ngayon sa orientation district na lang pong pagpasa ng documents? Umattend sa orientation o wara, please relay the information that their documents should be submitted to the district office within this week, and the district will be submitting your folders by district to the division office by Friday. So Friday ang amon paghulat kay mag-start na ang evaluation Monday to Friday. And just be ready, my dear teacher applicants, because at any given time during the evaluation, there are some clarifications that our evaluators would like to bring to your attention. We wanted you to be ready for clarifications. From Dennis Alambra, good morning po, sir. Paano po baka kag-demo tamang skills through virtual lang po? Interview and demonstration teaching and including demo for skills training will be done virtually. We will not have a physical contact or limited face-to-face with our applicants. The fact nga makuri pa yan naton kaimtang. But at any rate, pwede man. Halimbawa, mag-demo ka, ipa-demo kahan and bread and pastry. You just prepare the necessary ingredients, nakahook ka la online as if we are watching a television show nga nagluluto. So kikiton ang committee and validator kung tama ba ang imong proseso nga nasunod, tama ba ang imong pag-handle ang mga utensils, tama ba ang pag-handle mo ang mga ang imong panukol, tapos tama ba, nasunod ka ba health and safety while doing the procedure. So, but the groupings, as you know, you have already seen the memorandum with your names. Kung naka-assign ka, halimbawa, you belong to Group A, the one who will be facilitating the interview and demonstration teaching will be those from Group A. Pero for the demonstration of skills, we have a separate committee, and they will be reaching you out para matagan kamuhan ang tama nga proseso. From Ruthil, we're still in the second batch junior high school. For the senior high school applicants, I discussed silent guidance doesn't apply to you. Please don't get confused. Elementary pa niya, no? Sige. From Jose Jokton, sir, good morning. I grab ko lang po opportunity this time. In behalf po this scholar, naka-demo na interview as a demo required. Masla po kami an update if okay la po. But dire po pwede mention. For those who have already initially interviewed and allowed to have the demonstration teaching by myself, Sir Tony, and Sir Glendo, you may now proceed to the HR parahan mga requirements. Pero anwara pa, just wait kay ma-find time kita kung kano kamo namon matagang technical assistance. Ma'am Maria Nancy Aragon, hi sir, good morning po. Ma-clarify po ako, like for example, hadaram proper man po ako nagmapasa, no? Yes, a district office. If you belong to, sige, iba man ang secondary. Kamo elementary, at tugo da district para by volume ang pagdarahan, by batch ang pagdarahan ang district nga diha division office. Marlene Jane Abaratigi, good morning po sir. May dako po kilala nga apilawat hini nga batch. Diri daw po nakakasulod kan join this meeting daw po. Kung di makasulod ay pagpirita, just relay the information that I have shared to you kung saan ang pagpasa and if retention is allowed. Good morning po. Paano po mag-demo mga skills? Dennis, tapos sir, good morning po. I am rendering my teaching service as provincial paid in RLGU. There is still to secure a copied contract or certificate of employment will do. If you are an LSA, provide the MOA, a copy of the MOA. And if you are from the LGU, see to it that your document as an LGU paid is signed by the school's division superintendent. If it is not signed by the school's division superintendent, it will never be counted. Si Lex Francis Agbon said, good morning. Whom are we going to address the letter for upgrading retention? Ibutang nila niyo, the chair, PSB, bisan wala ng ngaran. Automatic na ito i-api man han ikakadto man evaluation committee. Kung karoy niyo magpa-retain, butang niyo for retention kamo. But if you have some documents for upgrading, ibutang lat niyo tas amo niyo i-attach. Ayaw na pan-attach damo nga sir mga papel. Ano yung jiwa, ayaw na kung adto na dito nakabutang. But you see to it, nga kinanglan or ang iyo IAS ang nakabutang. Kung wala yan IAS, a copy of the RQA nga ito yung aran highlighted. If diri ka mo naka 70, ayaw na ka mo pagsurat for retention, kaya wala man lagi apon gamit, kaya diri man lang ka mo gihapon may bubutang ha, RQA kung 68, kung 67, or 69. Pero kung nakasunod ka na RQA, nga kareg ni mo mag-romento man ani mo result for interview and demo, pag-araman maupay, ngan salang, kay mas maupay gihapon kay elementary localization man. There is a high probability that 72-73 will be hired first, then 70 and 71. Jamison Alboro, good morning sir. Ang mga naka-RQ ba, previous ranking need pa ma-demo and interview. Kung naruyag mag-demo, pwede na rin pa-interview, pwede, pero kung nadiri, submit retention. We need your request for retention, kay diri man perpetual inclusion para nakasulod na RQA. And last year nga RQA, kay once nga may valid yan nga RQA, nga wala ka mahibutang, diri ka na may api. From Liselan Bayanes, sir, would like to ask if matik pala po EPT this September, mahabol po ba? Yes, we will wait for the result of the EPT. We will not release the RQA if we are done with the interview and demonstration teaching without the result of the APT coming from BEA. No worries, because according to some or verified authorities, the BEA oftentimes releases the result of the APT just 1 week or 2 weeks after the last administration of the APT. As of this time, we have an ongoing APT at San Jorge National High School and one more for next week. Isang Rego, sir, clarify la po, na late po kasi sa orientation, pati po. Sige, para sa junior high school, sa iyo principal, pero you can have it submitted to the district office para usalang paghihap. Ching Win Busa, good morning sir. About one mag-demo ng on interview last year pero wala IPT last year. Makaritin po ba? O pwede. Basta wala la IPT. Specify that one in your retention. Tapos a letter, tapos ibutang lang we are waiting for the result of your IPT. Hindi ka na po, ayaw na pag binutang include ano mo IPT because the result will be given to us. And once we have the result, we will find the names in the list para ibutang ang EPT. Good, Geraldine Kayef, sir, good morning. Maasla po about ang learning support aid. Contact okay po ba ito? Waray signature ni Sir Cavero, pero may sana ni SDS kanan mga kanan ni teacher. Importante, there is the signature of the school's division superintendent. Severo Baldago, sir, good morning. Mapa-clarify la po about han pag-demo. Paano po papakitan committee about han lesson plan? Salamat po. No worries about that. We did it successfully with the senior high school, and same process will be undertaken by our elementary, junior high school, and senior high school applicants for this school year. You will be given time to write your lesson plan. Ada good, nakikita ka, hindi mo camera, and then you will be presenting that one. And by groupings kasi and demonstration, may mga committee tayo. Just wait for the instruction of the committee chair and the members in charge for evaluation and demonstration teaching. From Maria Padigos, good morning po sir. Senior high applicant po. Sir Asla po, clarify, kailan po ba mag-demo? Sa senior high school, no demonstration for demo skills. Skills training, waray. Diba kasi senior high school? For senior high school, an experience, if you have 1 year experience, 0 ka pa. Mapatak, pag ika 13 month, maula mapatak 1 month starting from the 13 month in terms of experience. Tapos, you have the certificates of training. Depende na lawat ito kung ano kadamon imo training, maulatan imo ipa, mao ni hapon. Pero diri na ya kinanglan demo. And my demo lakitan skills training is junior high school and elementary. Some more questions? Karana Pakiana? Junar Balasbas. Junar is raising his hand. Junar? Hello, Junar. Alright. Generous Bentilio. Generous. What's your concern? May senior high school man didi, ha senior high school and certificate of training, 1 point shall be given for every training, seminar, workshop, symposium of at least 2 days. So kung may damo ka certificates, the better, pero it should be related with the track that you are applying for. May da pa question? Clarification? Generous? Si Generous lang iana. Yes, Generous. Alright. Some more queries? Some more questions? Romel Consus. Sir, paano po mga wala pa schedule sa EPT? Ongoing man ang schedule. Ongoing man ang schedule ang EPT. Pwede pa kamo makahabol para next week nga batch. Just feel free to contact Dr. Glendo Carrido. Coronel Romel Conos. Good morning, sir. An EPT result on November 2019, pwede pa po ba magamit? Pwede pa magamit kasi validity an EPT is 2 years. Pero kung 2018 ka nag-apply and you are requesting for retention, di rin na valid ang imo EPT. So dapat mag-take ka good ang EPT, yan na nga tuig. Kaya kung di rin ka mag-take, masisiro ka para han EPT. Kristen Caber, sir, good morning po. Want to clarify la po, sugadaamon nga nag-under na po kami ranking process last 2020, pero wala pa kayo makasudar kayo, tapos EPT na po amon ginulat. Ma-undergo pa po kami at ranking process. Para sa mga naurhi, I said, you can submit a letter for retention and please specify that you're still waiting for the result of the EPT. And if you wanted to attach some documents for upgrading, please do not hesitate to state that one in your retention letter. Tricia Roschua, good morning po, sir. An interview and demo po, virtual po. Yes, as contained in the division memo, we will have the interview, demo, and demonstration of skills virtually. And yung ani konta evaluation, physically, imo naton, pero kay we have to seek approval from several IETF LGUs nga para kami makakomply. So we decided to have that evaluation at the division office for next week. Charmin Cabuenas, good morning, sir. Anapi pa ba RK, ma-undergo pa ba ranking process o through? Kung naruyag ka nga ma-outroan imo demo nga interview, dumako ang imo result, pwede, pero kung diri, please submit a letter, a retention letter. Liselan Bayana, sir, kung virtual pandemo, can we have PowerPoint? Dependehan committee, kay before the start of the demonstration teaching, may daan na itong hirahay iyo instruction na ihatag. But let me emphasize that we did it successfully with our senior high school applicants last year. Yan. What if Erica Franzuela, good morning, sir. What if sugadham nga adi po na work at district office na work funded by LGU, may points po? May points kung may document. Con completo ang document, and any teaching experience between the LGU and the Department of Education should have been attested, signed by our school's division superintendent. You should have been informed by your respective school heads before you do the first teaching day in that school. Nga amo ito ang proseso. In the absence of the signatures, we cannot give any additional credit. Adrian Balyadares, good morning, sir. Nalit po kasi pag-in ha meeting. Ano purpose ang paghin document ha district. Ipapasa mo ang document sa district and district office through the district head or any person nga alayon nga the division office pag-submit because we wanted the documents to be submitted by bunch at the division office for evaluation purposes. Nilin Advincula, sir. Naman naman ni Nilin kanina, nakadi naman ini kanina. Good morning, sir. For LSA, may additional diri man hiya kindergarten. So, anato inihap nga may additional points is kindergarten bisan kon LGU funded. Good morning, sir. Clarify ko po about namon pertinent papers. Sige, submit po ba namon na district office? Yes, you have to submit that one to the district office para ang division office and mag-submit nga di division office because we do not allow individual submission to the division office. Para diri ka mo magbinahi-biyahe. Good morning, sir. RQA na po ako pero nakapa-online list pa ako senior high. Pwede po ba mag-upgrade na lang ko na akong kanang junior high and di rin ako magpadayo na senior high? Kaya since RQA naman ako. Naka-online senior high. Pero pwede po ba mag-upgrade? Where is Haibara? Haibara. Mapikunta ko nang gagamit niyo ang iyo real name para klarado na check lewat namon. Who is Haibara? Can you say a word? I would like to say your face.
Yes, sir.
Good
morning, sir.
Oh. Junior high school ka, junior high
yes,
school.
Yes, sir. Po ako.
Nakasulod ka RQA.
Tapos hindi po nag-online enlist. Dito na po ako nag-pa-enlist sa senior high.
Senior high school.
Po, tapos gusto ko punta, mag-upgrade na po ako na akong kanang junior high. Pwede po ba ito?
Mapakadi ka senior high school.
Hindi po, sir.
Adanagan man, posted na ang iyong mga ngaran.
Ato kasi, sir, na.
Diri ka na senior high school.
Opo, ato na po ako na RQA, ga-upgrade ko na lang po.
Ma-upgrade ka na lang RQA mga senior high school.
Dili, sir.
Sige, sige, pwede man.
Dili po, sir.
Nakasulod ka RQA last sa senior high school. Naka-70 ka?
Junior, sir. Junior high school po, sir.
Oh, junior high school, naka-70 ka.
Opo, RQA po ako last year.
Sige. For updating man lada. Pag magpasa ka letter for updating.
Na ako sir ko dahil po kasi high i-build ka na lang po na akong kanang junior.
Diri ka naman pa rin. Pero diri pwede nga nimo result sa junior high school, ikakadto ta senior high school ha. So tatanggalon ka la lista. Di ka nga magpakita for interview and demo. Of course, diri ka may happy dito senior high school.
Opo sir, pero pa na QA na kanang junior high.
Basta naka-70 ka man na dato. Masubmit ka la letter for retention.
Sige, sir.
Tapos, pwede niyo yan na dayon nga trabahoon, isubmit dayon niyo nga to a district office. And for those who are submitting again, I would like to reiterate, for those who are submitting for retention, i-attach sa niyo IAS. If there is no copy of the IAS, attach a photocopy of the RQA bearing your name and have it highlighted. Tapos, if you have some additional documents, i-attach dito like experience. Tapos, if you have you're still waiting for the result of the APT, you just include that one in your letter for retention. Tapos, submit that one to the district office so that the district office will be the one to forward all the documents coming from the applicants to the division office. Mendalin Badlong, good morning po sir. Nakarang po kami at DepEd Order 22 before retention and upgrading po. Pwede allow kami. Masla po kunta sir kung pwede pa po yan na ma-retain or upgrade ang points or dire na po. We are not allowing retention for DepEd Order 22 since we make use of DepEd Order 7. Ang DepEd Order 22, yung gagamit lang iton hiya, ang tawag natin iton hiya, calibration. Intagamit lang ito naton hiya kung damo pa hindurit item ha DepEd pero kulang nakasulod ha RQA from DepEd Order 7. And take note, there's a great disparity between the assigning of points for DepEd Order 7 and DepEd Order 22. Say for instance, in DepEd Order 7, in terms of experience, per month is only 0.15. But for DepEd Order 22, it's 0.50. So dako ang iya pintaha. So kung naniriritin ni paparitin mga points kanang DepEd Order 22, ma-unfair adto parahan yan ang mga applicants nga naton gagamiton DepEd Order 7. So klarohon tala ha, kung nagparitin ka mo nga DepEd Order 22, ayaw. Kay dapat for retention, ano yung rating is sa DepEd Order number 7 because this same DepEd Order in terms of the criteria will be utilized for the new applicants for this school year. From Maria Padigo, Sir Aslang po, dati po akong nagparang 2020 Junior High School po. Pero ngayon po, Senior High School po yung ina-apply. Mag-demo at interview pa po ba? Yes, kasi iba yung assignment of points ng demo and interview sa junior high school at saka senior high school. Nagkakaiba-iba nga sa senior high school, yung assignment of points depende sa track. Kung GA, kung UMS, kung TVL, sports, and academic track. Nag-iba-iba. So you have to undergo. Same process. From Jessica Bakaykay, sir, good morning po. Kung ano mo TESDA is 1 month, automatic ka na ba makakuha 10 points? No, not 10 points, but 5 points. Because DepEd Order 7 says, presentation of a certificate of training of at least 10 days will earn you 5. And demonstration of the skill will get you 5 or nothing. So kinahanglan i-demo. Sir, Iris Joy Bartula. Sir, may ask po ako. Ipakisurat na lang, Iris Joy.
Hello, sir.
Sige, sige.
Sir, I have some clarifications about your ranking po because I am late, sir. I'm so sorry. I am elementary po na kuan. Pero sir, ang haiyo po sir, pagbasa namon sa district office, ano po ang mangyayari after that, sir? Pag napasa na naman ang papers
That
po.
will be submitted by the district office to the division office because we have the evaluation team at the division office.
You will
That's
call us
just
na
to
lang.
ensure, no, you will not be, depende if there are some clarifications on the documents that you have submitted. But if all the documents is well in place and are no questions coming from the committee, you will proceed to the interview and demonstration teaching.
Sir, regarding to that, sir, also, sir, is it virtual interview and demo?
Virtual, ma'am, virtual demo nga tanan, and the committee will be giving you the mechanics. Thank you for the question. From Jessica Bakaykay, say good morning po. Hi, sir, good morning from April Bacol. Asla po ako, pwede pa mag-retain points ang last 2018 nga RQA. 2018 na RQA, kaya iya pa man. Maiya na, wara ka na, ipiti mo, kuha na laps na, di rin na valid. So ayaw na lang pagpa-retain. And last year lang nato ni pa-retain. From Angeline Cabuelio, good morning sir. How about po ang nagpa-rank March 2020? And nagulat na lang ni PT pero natin lockdown, ma-undergo pa bubahan process. As I said, you may not or you may join the process. Kung kontento na ka man yung result, just write it in your letter of intent. Tapos, ibutang lang niyo dito nga, you have just taken the APT and you are awaiting for the result of said activity. Erica J. Banzuela, sir, clarification po, office aid po, the district office. May points po ba kami ito funded by LGU? Per DepEd order, nga tanan na experience, kinanglan related ha teaching. If you are in school, ada ka laha office and you're not teaching, you will not earn any point. Dapat nagtutdo. Bisan pa kung DepEd na nagsweldo mo, MOE, LGU, kung diri ka nagtutdo, it will not qualify for having credit. From Marion Acasa, good morning po sir. Anak friend po na Palayong Pag-asa kung ano po ang process and pagdemohan senior high school academic po. Salamat po. As I said, the demonstration teaching for senior high school and interview was conducted virtually last year and we did it successfully. Just wait for the mechanics, how each group will be allowing you to do said activities. From Alexis Ranel Abunda, good morning sir. IT graduate pa ako, tapos nag-earning unit sa Kwan Education. Social Studies pa akong major halit. Masla po kung ano ang subject pag demo. Kadamo man ni Alexis nga may nagiyan. Tili ICT po ba or Social Studies? Kung ano ang nakabutang hanimulit, that is your major. In your case, Social Studies, an imo aday mo PRC. So an imo specialization for junior high school will be Social Studies. Renalyn Bacorio, sir, kung hindi po pasok sa RQA, pwede po ba mag-upgrade lang? Kung wala ka makasulod sa RQA, tapos may da kay update, may upgrade ka, ngayon mo kasabot mag-70 ka, do so. But if, in spite of the volume or the thickness of the documents that you will be presenting for upgrading, pag-compute ni mo diri kalagapon maka-70, ayaw nala. Para may banibanan ang trabaho didihan evaluation committee. Jimson Alboro, good morning sir. Ang mga mag-submit po letter for upgrading need paliwat submit ang GWA, certificate of rating, training and documents. Kung kontento ka na ito, ayaw na i-submit. Submit mo nala ang imo documents for or additional documents. Tricia Roschua, good morning sir. Halimbawa po sir, dito ako magpasa po sa Clarencio, Santa Margarita. Dito ko po ihatag ang akong pertinent paper. Yes, you have to submit that one. Since you're an applicant for secondary, submit that one to the school of your preference, and the school management will be the one to forward that to the district office for submission to the division office. Good morning po sir, from Rodisa Monaris. Nagparang po ako hadton March 2020, din waray po ako makasulod RQA sir. Kay kulang po ako IPT, kay time na postpone po ang IPT. Pwede po ba ako magpasa ng letter for upgrading? Yes, as I said early on, you have to submit a letter of intent, but specify in your letter request that you are just awaiting for the EPT result. Gian Bote, sir, how about panakon last year nga ranking, pero tak ginagamit last year ng EPT 2018 results pa, diak po pwede mag-upgrade points, pwede ka gan magpa-upgrade points, pero tatanggalon na nimo result ang EPT kung wala kaya na mag-take EPT for 2021. I believe nga tanan nga nagpa-enlist in advice na ni Sir Glendo. Miss Bote, if you wanted really to take the EPT para may apikan EPT kay 2018 pa man na nimo intikan, please send a message to Dr. Glendo Carrido para mahiapi ka pa han next week nga schedule han EPT. Kay kung diri ka mag-take 2018 pa nimo, 2021 na kita na lapse ka na, lahos ka na han validity nga 2 years han EPT. So automatic hiya mawawara dito han imo result, magiging isi-zero hiya kay naglapse ka naman 2018 pa. But if you wanted to take the EPT, please send a message to Dr. Glendo Carrido. From Judy Cabanas, good morning sir. Yung nag-EPT po last 2019 from other division, need po ba mag-take ng EPT? If you have taken the EPT from other division, no need mag-take ng EPT because you will just be presenting your result. Pagkuha la kopyahan result, kung halimbawa nag-take ka late division, seek a copy of your EPT result, a certification rating from the SDO, and have it submitted to the HR unit sa NATO division. From Marion Araza, thank you po sir. Pagbatunan pakiana, God bless po. Lisel Anbayane sir, nagmasteral po ongoing, may na po ba points? Thank you. As to education, if you will look back DepEd Order number 7, ang nakabutang didi, dapat MA plus 1, kung doktor ka plus 2. Wala dito mag-mention mga units. So kung mga 30 units ka pala, 18 units ay masteral, wala pa ito niya points. Pero kung graduate ka na MA, may da ka na papel, may da ka na diploma, submit the TOR, attach the TOR. Pero mga units pa lang ni ayaw na niyo i-submit kay it will not be given credit. You will not earn points if you are not a graduate of your MA and your doctoral. From Canete Motic, sir, may ask po pwede po ako mag-apply both elementary and high school or wala sa usalat pwede applyan. Kay nano nimo natapos nga pwede ka elementary, pwede ka ha secondary. But if you are a graduate of industrial education, pwede, pero we will base on the result of your license. If your license says that you are a licensed secondary teacher, then you will be applying at the secondary. If you are a licensed elementary teacher, you will be applying in the elementary. Then nabulaliton nga nakukuha ang usang applicant papatot duha bisan kon high school ni papatot duha elementary kun wala na gud iba nga mga aplikante. Pero the moment for us, we have lots of applicant, 1,600. We're not giving that prerogative to an applicant to apply both elementary and junior high school, in as much that we wanted to make make it fair and square for all applicants. Pwede ka lugod junior high school, pwede ka mag-apply senior high school. Mindalin Badlong, good morning po sir. How about po sir namon ginkuha na training as electrical installation, maintenance in situ? I-demo pa ba ito namon? Need po ba kami? Yes. I-demo pa gad pero kay nadepende na ito na committee. Di man siguro nga mag-installar ka mo. Siguro may mga questions about electrical installation nga patutuhayo kung yung panano, and that's part of demonstration teaching. Does not necessarily mean nga maghimo ka kung tinikangan and you will be consuming 5 hours tapos virtually diri na. So we will be making use of the time wisely. From Jessica Bakaykay, sir, napalayo na friend pag-ask kung magde-demo ka sa senior high school, dapat ba related at TESDA in eskwelahan and major and topic? Wala man need nga TESDA senior high school. And certificate of training bisan diin basta related and imo in applyan. Unless kung TBL ka, kaya dapat may NC2 or may TM parahan TBL track applicants. Juvin Baluti, good morning sir. Going back to the question about an updating and waray pa RQA, had to nga 2019 ranking, waray po ako pakasulod RQA, nag-take na po ako ipitin na anya ng schedule. Pwede po ba ako magpa-retain and upgrade base diri na mag-undergo dayman training? Thank you po on button. Pwede, pero kung pag-compute mo, sugat ko na kanina, pag-compute mo, di ka maka-70, ayaw nala. Kay, depende na ito na imo idudugang documents para may iban-ibanan ang trabaho onhan and division in as much that we have 1,600 applicants excluding Python ang nagpapa-retain. Pero if you think maka-70 ka, then go on, move. Para there's no hindrance. Anyone will never be a deterrent for your inclusion to the RQA. From Juvin Baluti, may po kasi ako teaching experience as LGUP teacher and I'm sure maka-70 na ako if ever ma-account ang akong teaching experience. Go on, Juvin, just submit the necessary documents and make sure that all those documents bear the signatures of the persons that are designated to. Janice Bonggaling, good morning po sir. If po ba mag-upgrade po ako, diri po ba ako mag-undergo demonstration and interview? As I said, Janice, kanina pa, pwede diri, pwede magbago. Kung kontento na ka mo na yung rating, okay na. Pero kung kareg pa ni madugnan or maibanan, then proceed to the demonstration and interview. From Dennis again, good morning po sir. Pwede po bisan diri na mag-demo ng interview kung may naman ako points kaya nagparang naman last year. Pero masubmit na ako EPT result and other additional documents. Yes, Dennis, go on. Isalin adon sila sir, ang amon setup ang amon demo is online class. Yes, online demo. You just walk through siguro with the demonstration teaching without, even if you're not in a class. Waray online class ng mga katubang, but it will be held virtually by the committee. From Manuel Baksal, sir, good morning. Sir Asla po, kung pwede ng skills and training ko last ranking na 10 points. Kung nakaparang ka na last year, ang iyo result, ang iyo point nga 10 points and skills demo, retain na ito. Ang aton lang ay papademo para skills demo of training and aton new applicants. Para klarado. Maridel Apuganda, sir, pera po na equivalent sa EPT result for ranking. That's 15 points, Ma'am Maridel. Pero, senior high school, nag-iba-iba hiya, dependihan track. For senior high school, diretson ta na ini para kay namamati naman na diba, senior high school. And EPT niya is 10 points for applicants of the academic track and core subjects. If you're an applicant for TVL, 5 points. If you're an applicant for arts and design, 5 points. If you are an applicant for sports and design, 5 points. But for junior high school and elementary, it's 15 points. So, dapat wala kong taniyo apuraha ang pag-take an EPT. I was in Basay National High School and I happened to see our applicants from Marabot taking the EPT, and I'm very delighted to see applicants from Marabot for really taking time to answer the questions using the technology online as prescribed. From Daisy and Conde, sir, what if diri po nahatag ang division office and certificate of EPT result? Diri pwede, Daisy nga diri ra maghatag result. Ani mo kontakon kung din ka nga division nag-apply like Albayog, Northern Samar, or some other division. Ani mo kontakon.
Ni po.
Yes.
Pinoy. After Sir Lando po, may na po nakati ng different EPT results from the different division offices po.
May da na.
Yes
sige.
po, sir.
Sige, diri na naton hirap pa. Diri na naton hirap pa requeston.
Yes po, sir.
Sige. Kung may copy na ko no, DCN and division office and mga results sa nag-take an APT from other divisions. Siguro just communicate to Ruby Kalinaw para may baroon mo kumpira ni mo rating. From Jessica Bakaykay, sir, pwede po mag-volunteer teacher and mga secondary teacher elementary. Bisan ang DepEd order na sigad, bisan nano ang imo experience, bisan college, pwede, provided kung volunteer ka, intanggal na kasi natin ng mga volunteer may hanakin, damo na ninhatag ng mga teacher items. Pero kung wala ka gun mapugi, naka-volunteer ka, ang bibilngon han evaluation committee is documents nga nagpapakita nga volunteer teacher ka, it should be signed by our school's division superintendent and the principal. In the case of the LGU, it's the municipal mayor and the school's division superintendent. Any piece of document bearing the signature of the principal only will never be accepted because our principal early on had already been informed that we do not allow any more volunteer teachers. Pero there are some exemptions. Halimbawa, mga integrated schools nga in open pero kulang teacher. So na-allow kita volunteer teachers pero may dapat dokumento nga pirmado ang schools division superintendent. From Dennis, thank you sir for taking the time to answer all of our questions. Welcome Dennis. Some more questions. Bonggaling have raised hands. Janice Bonggaling. Janice, are you still in? Hello, Ma'am Janice. Hello, Ma'am Janice. May tanong from... may di pa pakiana. From Alexis Abunda. Good morning po, sir. Junior high school po ako. Soksay. Ako in situ, bread and pastry. May points po ba? Biskandiri related ako major. Related man, Alexis, and imo bread and pastry. Because in social studies, we have entrepreneurship. There are some competencies in the NC2 bread and pastry that are found that could be of great help in your teaching as a social studies teacher. So, pasok ito. Judy Cabanes, sir, pwede po mag-take na lang ulit ng EPT exam. Kahit nag-exam na ng EPT from other division kasi po di sila nagbibigay ng EPT result. Judy, as mentioned by Ruby, our secretariat at the HRMPSB at the division office, we have a copy of the result of EPT of our applicants from other divisions. And just feel free to contact Ruby kung nanon imo rating. And diri ka pwede mag-take EPT kasi dito na system handbeya na red tag, na red flag kung an imo name appears to have taken the EPT last 2019. Pero kung nakalusot, pag-abutan result, machi-check itanhan beya. From Virelio Dacalis, good morning. Need po ba attach an IPCRF? IPCRF. As document para performance rating or pwede mo na lang po? No need of attaching the IPCRF, Sir Dacalius. What we need for your teaching experience to be credited as an LSA is just the MOA. From Isalin Adon, sir, pwede po friend na ask about enlist an applicant. Sorry po kasi nito para nagpa-online enlistment po ya. Thank you po, sir. Just give the name to Ruby Ruthel Kalinaw and Ruthel, our HRMO, and they will be verifying that result, the list. Kung nagpa-online enlistment, good. From Annalyn Delgado, hello po sir. Ask ko lang po if pwede po mag-submit pertinent documents pero lacking in BI. Thank you po and keep safe. We have these pronouncements given to the district heads before the online enlistment that we do accept documents from our applicants even if there's no NBI, not properly not authenticated by the PRC. Inasmuch na pandemic po tayo, mahirap po yung travel mobility. Anyway, that's included in the DepEd order pero pag nakalagay na yung omnibus certification, yung omnibus ninyo yung magpapatunay that you are telling us the truth and all the documents that you have submitted are indeed factual. So kung kulang pa ng NBI, hindi ka pa naman ma-appoint. Pag hindi pa authenticated ng PRC, hindi ka pa naman ma-appoint. Just feel free to submit that one para makasali po sa ranking process. Rinalyn Bacorio, sir, at 2018 pack naka-rank. Nagtika ka na EPT nga may i-upgrade na klot nga ting experience. Kung mag-upgrade lahat, maka 70, pwede po diri na mag-demo ng interview. Sige, kung sigurado ka nga maka 70 ka na. Ibutang lahan mo retention letter. Sir, from Marion Arasa, ask po again. Paano po mabaruan namon kung hain kami na bilong grupa akad? Asked by Michelle Concepcion. Academic? Kung ano naka-post dito, magde-demo man lang kamo pero pag RQA na, siyempre, ang aton nakabutang ang aton RQA is just by may nakabutang ang aton RQA is an RQA for UMS, STEM, and General Academic, UMS, STEM, and ibang diri na, we have the ABM, TVL, Arts and Sports, Academic, and diri siya Academic. So, an RQA kasi for senior high school will only have this. Hindi, nakabutang. For academic track, manay na nato nakabutang is STEM, STEM, UMS, and wala naman iba. So, kung ang imo major is mathematics, you will be at STEM. Social Studies, UMS. So, let me know if kung nano ang kan Michelle Concepcion major. Then, Manuel Baksal, good morning, sir. Ask ko lang po, meron po bang sariling format ang letter of retention? You may do your own style of writing. Sir, good morning. Naparang na kasi ako last month, March 2020, tapos naka 10 points ako on specialized training. Yan na po, kailangan i-demo pa, sir. No need, basta nakaparang ka na last year. We will not we will not let those who were ranked previously to have the demonstration of skills for this year. And as I said this, I would like to make it clear that the demonstration of skills will only apply for the new applicants. For Jennifer Barredo, sir, naulat pa ko ng schedule of PT tikang habeya parang batch 2 han marutike PT. Asla po, if okay ako mag-retain in points, magad pa ako nag-teaching. Yes, you may do so. Karen Cafe, good morning, sir. I have earned 36 units, Math and Guidance and Counseling. My points by a senior high school teacher applicant. For senior high school, ang nakabutang didihan education is applicants who have completed the academic requirements for a master's degree in the track strand subject being applied for shall be given 3 points, while applicants with a master's degree in the track strand subject shall be given 5 points. So kung 36 units ka pala, but you do not have a certificate of academic requirement, you will not earn points. Pero pag may ka car, may certificate of academic requirement ka, you will earn 3 points. Tapos kung masters ka na, good 5 points. Thank you for that question, Jennifer. Karen, from Jen Salboro, good day, sir. LSC po ako. What if kung ang nakapirma mo ang previous principal pa? Tapos ang nakapirma yan ang certification ng bagong na principal. Paano ito, sir? Wala mang problema. Basta importante may pirma. Ang importante, totoo ang mga pirma nga nag-principal. Dili mo man ma-break ang record nga ada good sira nag-principal. Pero for LSA, I would like to emphasize, dapat pirmado ang Schools Division Superintendent. Okay lang ito nga nag-iba-ibang pirma kay the principals are transferred from time to time. From Dakoro Judito, good morning, sir. Napakihanap ako ang friend kung pira daw ang points and cookery in C2. Thanks. Mauna to kanina kung elementary and junior high school, kung may certificate ka, cookery in C2, 5 points. Pag i-demo mo, 10 points kung pag-uga nga applicant. Pero kung diri ka bago, you will retain the 10 points. Marian Bordalio, good morning po, sir. For retain upgrade po ako, friend. Pero waray po kasi akapin evaluation sheet. I-accept pa po hiya for retain upgrading. Dapat may copy hiya kay makukurya na kita pagbiling. Same question was aired by the previous batch. And the instruction that we have given is he has to or she has to undergo the process because we do not have any valid documents to look up and to look into. So kung may dagot siya kaya kopya, then ipakita niya. But if your friend is already included in the RQA, let her attach or him attach the copy of the RQA, have her or his name highlighted, and be included in the retention letter. From Lizelan Bayanes, sir, for those who want for upgrading, may I ask if kanino po gi-address and letter for upgrading, just be generic, address that one to the Schools Division Superintendent nala or the chair of the SRMPSB Division Selection Committee. Sige, para klarado, address that one to the chairman of the Division Selection Committee. From Jessica Bakaykay, salamat madam sir. Welcome Jessica. Jo Marie Padang, sir, 2018 po ako naparang kaso wala ako makasulod sa RQA pero pwede po ba di rin ako mag-demo interview? Valid pa po ba na points ko kan demo kung 2018? Amo lagapon Jo Marie, kung wala ka maka 70, ikaw ang lagapon na naton goal pag retain. But if you have some additional documents, please do not hesitate to append all those necessary documents and have it evaluated by the Division Selection Committee for you to be able to be included, in the registry of qualified applicants. From Annalyn Baro, good morning, sir. LSC po kami. Is it okay lang po ba na ang attachment documents lang po namin sa LSC are certification from the school head and a contact service job order contract from the division signed by Ma'am Carmela and Sir Antonio? Oh yes, it will be okay kasi nasa contract naman yun. Sige, pag wala pa kayong copy ng MOA, pwede yung certification from the school head and a contract of service job order from the division office signed by SDS and Sir Cabero. From Jameson Alboro, okay po. Okay sir, thank you po. Welcome Jameson. Nelson Abanes, good morning. Need ko lang po i-clarify. Can schedule ko na PT August 31. And schedule an interview and demo same date liwat. Paano po ito sir? Just communicate to the committee. And I believe the committee will understand and will find the most appropriate time for you to conduct the demonstration, teaching, and interview, which will not be affecting your schedule and taking the APT. From Nilin Advincula, sir, napakyan akong friend, wala kasi maka-join. Pwede po ba mag-approve nila bisan niya wala makasulod RQ last ranking? LSA po hiya na. Ako nilis tapos pag check mo and additional point makapa 70 na hiya, din pwede mag-update. Sure, basta sigurado. Mariel Arco, sir, nagparanking na po ak last year pero wala pa ak makasulod RQA. And in follow-up ko po sir, ang akong ipiting and NC2 na blend processes and amon final assessment scheduled final week of August, need ko pa po mag-interview ng demonstration teaching. Pwede ka gan magpa-demo interview pero wala ka pa man document, so mas mapay-hold to na lang nimo an document. Kay panano ka maka-demonstrate nga wala man an imo certificate ongoing pa man. Wala ka pa ka-assess and test da. And take note that the assessment for demonstration of skills training, we wanted to ascertain that our applicants indeed had imbibed skills during their training and the certificate that they will be presenting that are greatly in line with the teaching position that you're applying for. Sir, may karuyag po mag-in pero di daw po yan accept nga niya meeting. Pakistorya na lang Gian Buti. Hindi rin nakasulod kay traffic na kita siguro because we are already 100 in the room and Google Meet only allows 100 participants in a virtual room. Nelson Abanes, thank you. Jo Marie Padang, thank you so much sir. God bless po, welcome. Rina Chiquito, good morning sir. Pwede po ba magpili kung anong skill itong igdi-demo? Kay may na po ka po ka ng NC2 cooking and COC food processing. Pwede sir ka na submit nala ang document nga kareg mo i-demo. Ayaw na pag-submit sa iba. Ayaw na pagduha kayo sa malaan kinahanglan. From Mariel Arcos, thank you sir. Welcome. Romel Cono, sir, anak ko ng C3 about events organizer. Kailangan ko pa buig demo? Yes. Papakianan ka man, Romela, kung ano ni himuon as events organizer. And nice to hear that from you, that you have an NC3 certificate from TESDA on events organizer, because there are only a few of that having that certificate in the region. So, papakanan ka man lang ito kung ano mo. Not necessarily ang pag-demo nga, demo na good nga kuan. Pwede gyapon ang Q&A because para makita la kung ano good ang skill nga imo nakuha for that certificate. From Joshua B. Arsenio, good morning po sir. Ma-demo na interview po ba? Otro tapos na po mag-demo. Kay waray pa points ka ng EPT. As I said, submit for retention and specify in your letter nga may danaka mo. You're waiting for the result of your EPT. Jessica Bakay sir, pira dapat ang points para kamatawag ng RQA senior high school. Senior high school, we have 70 up and we have 65 to 69.99. Of course, the higher is your rating, the more chances of your being appointed the soonest possible time, because we have to, the superintendent has to appoint first those who were included in the 70 up before 65 to 69 nga ada RQA kay para makita manggod kon para magamit ko ng RQA as based on DepEd order. Annalyn Baro, another question po sir, for clarification lang po, nahuli po kasi ako pag-join sa BCYMAS School, sa base po kami nagpa-screening ng documents. So doon po kami mag-submit ng screen documents namin. Sir, yes, you have to submit your documents at BCYMAS kay Mr. Art Mabini, and Mr. Mabini will be forwarding that to the district office, and the district office will be submitting that document in bunch, both elementary and secondary, to the division office. Jessica Bakaykay, thank you. Jessica, welcome, Jessica. Any more clarification? Generous Bintilio is raising her hand. Generous or Jubilin Cataros? So far, thank you for your questions and clarifications, and I hope for those who were not able to attend this virtual orientation, please relay the information because the information is vital so that all our applicants will be guided in the course of our selection process. From Alexis Abonda, sir, and ako ni PT, valid pa kanang 2019 from other division, pero may skid at pag-take kasama division yun ang August 24. Ayaw na pag-take on valid na. Kaya makikita ka lang gihapon hiton hanbeya kung nakatake ka na. And please inform Dr. Glendo Carido nga valid pa ni mo EPT. It's nice to hear coming from our applicants who are honest, tapos telling us what's the real story, and we appreciate that one. Thank you, Alexis, for bringing that to our attention. Joylit Buena, good morning, sir. It mga trainings related education, gintagan po by 10 points aside an NC2. Kung may NC2 ka na, dili nagamit ang iba. Wala na points ang iba nga mga certificates because we wanted only to see one document of at least 10 days for elementary and junior high school. Pero kung senior high school, for every 2 days nga training, may da ka 1 point until such time nga maabot nimo an nakabutang didi specialized training, 10 points for academic, 15 points, 20 points for TVL, 15 points for arts and design and sports, 15. For teaching, para senior high, and teaching industry work experience, kung ano mo apply ang general academic, dapat ano mo i-attach nga experience is teaching. But if you're an applicant for ABM, for sports and design, and for ABM, ano mo dapat is industry related. Kung nagtrabaho ka catering, crew ka catering, pagpahimo certification, as a certification nga hindi nagtrabaho ka dito tapos naka-specify na dapat an months kung pira nimo pagtrabaho. Tapos kung nagtrabaho ka bakery as panadero, may dayton point senior high school. Tapos kung nag-empleyado ka naman ano sa sa pagtrabaho nimo, may daka certificate nga outstanding employee of the month. So matatagang kay to 1 point portfolio. Nakabutang kasi di portfolio. Ang portfolio not necessarily mean nga parehas sa nimo niyo iyo college days nga may portfolio kamo. It pertains to documents. Nakabutang didi ang documents nga pwede tagan points ngan senior high na bakit Ruby? May nangyana naman senior high unta wala na niyan kay kuan na istoryahin na lang niyo ang mati ana parahan portfolio dapat diri sa kamalitang adara RPMS and portfolio nakabutang didi nga pero kung TVL ka, dapat NC2 and TM holders. Tapos, NC submission of a publication work, a portfolio. Recognized innovations. Tapos, adi ang kareg ko hayo ipakita para mabuligan kamo. Nakabutang didi awards, prizes, recognition, letters of commendation. Bisan ang simple lang surat, an imo boss, an imo manager, an imo mayor, nga in-acknowledge ka, nga maupay ka nga trabahador, matatagan hiya 1 point. Kung kay sub-national level is 1 point, national 2 points, 3 points national. Simple lang ito niya nga ang mga applicant sa senior high, kung kaya niyo mahimo, kada certificate tatagan ka 1 point pero it will not exceed to 10 points. Tapos kung may da ka mo business permit, halimbawa, kung ABM applicant ka, may da ka tindahan, may da ka sara-sara store, may da ka sari-sari store, tapos ang imo business permit na kangaran ha imo, may da ka additional point. So basahala niyo ang maupay ang DepEd Order number 3 series of 2016 on hiring guidelines for senior high school, and this will be your guideline. And in giving up points, we do follow, we do subscribe to what is contained in this DepEd Order, and if we align each other, ayun niyo pakurya niyo kalugaringon, simple hala niyo, masala niyo, ang nakabutang ha letter of commendation is exemplary performance, nga maupay ka nga trabahador, work or academic projects, outstanding employee award. So ma-full hiya ha, portfolio 10 points for core subjects and TVL subjects, 15 points for arts and design and sports tracks subject. From Alexis Abonda, sir, anak ko ni Piti, valid pa. No, nabato na ni kanina. Good morning, sir. Ask ko lang po kasi security services na in situ, tas maapi po ako major. Kailangan pa mag-demo senior high school para ako. Senior high school nga ni diri na nagde-demo parahan skills training. Pero magde-demo lahan actual nga papaymuan ang lesson plan ng interview. Kung kita niyo, iba ang skills demo ha, kontrahan demonstration teaching. Kay skills demo, para ito na niyo certificate nga na-earn ang 10 days. Pero magde-demo na kamo kung elementary nga junior high school applicant. Pero kung senior high school, no need nga magkamayada kamo demo. Good morning, sir. From Haibara, asla po kung valid po ang IPIT last March 29. Valid pa, kay 2 years pa ya. And validity, Jameson Alboro, good day, sir. May points pa ba ang certificate na NSIT? Kung senior high school kang applicant, pwede ya kung 2 days ang NSIT. Pero kung junior pat elementary applicant, dapat 10 days ang certificate. Doro diretso, diri ya staggered. From Juliet Buena, thank you, sir. Welcome. Virgie Blasquinio, good morning, sir. Kasama po sa points yung volunteer sa distribution and retrieval in our barangay. And volunteer, basta ang trabaho yan ng LSA is volunteer man, nag-assistant teacher. So if you have the document, it will be credited. Adrian Bernales, thank po. God bless. Welcome, Adrian. Manulit Pinida, good morning po. Mapakiana lang po kung kano diri po ako apian list. Manulit, just feel free to contact Ruby Kalinaw and Ruthel Kalinaw and i-ask mo kay nano kay diri ka api bangin na omit lang imong ngaran. And if your name was inadvertently omitted, I am asking an apology for that. But at any rate, just feel free to communicate to our HR personnel. Agent Benales, sir, hinay lagi imutingog. Sige lang, kinababati manada. I have been talking since early this morning and I have already heard the voice. Elisa Bohol, good morning, sir. Nagparang po ako last 2020 but I wasn't able to submit po my certificates. Kinag-lockdown po ako na time. Ano IPT po, kina-cancel. So, wala po ako sa RQA. Ko lang po magpa-update na lang. Sige, pwede ka magpa-update. Just include that one in your retention letter. Manulit Pinina, good morning po. Mapakiana lang po kung kayano diri po ako apian list. Salamat po. Again, same answer to that of the previous applicant. Just feel free to inquire from our HR section. We have Rothel Kalinaw and Ruby Kalinaw. And if your name was inadvertently omitted, I'm asking an apology for that. But again, I just would like you to feel free to communicate to our HR personnel. Jovenel Brasas, good morning sir. Nagparang po ako last year kasi wala pa makasulod RQA. Pero may da po ako documents, mapa-upgrade ko ako. Sige, just submit your documents for retention. You have the option if you will undergo demo teaching and interview again. But if you're not, if you settle for the points that you have, then include that one in your retention letter. Sir, all applicants po, ako, diri po pa, sir, igparitin akin pati demo. Ayan, Baduya. Sige, ayan, I've been echoing this information since time earlier on. We do allow retention of points for our old applicants. Manulit Pinilad, damong salamat, sir. God bless, sir. Thank you, Manulit. Welcome. Mary Ann Sisters, good morning, sir. Nagparang po ako last year. Ang anak certificate of training is 10 days. But wala po tagi points. Ano po ako himuon? Submit that one to the validators, include in your letter, and you will have the demonstration teaching kay wala ka man makademo. Wala ka pa man ma-evaluate ang imo documented to. Jan Bote, sir, may soft copy ka po ba ang imo can represent nga memo yan na. These memorandums are available online, DepEd Order number 7 series of 22 and DepEd Order number 3 series of 2016. Just feel free to browse and key in those numbers at DepEd website. Jeffrey Poblete, Adeline Orby, hello po sir, asla po if previous certification received from previous years credited pa po ba? Nano nga previous certification received from previous year, Adeline? Can I have the voice of Adeline? Please clarify, Adeline. Hello, Ma'am Adeline. Are you still with us?
Yes, sir po.
Nano nga certification?
That was 2015, sir. If it's still credited, if i-submit ko.
Nano nga certification?
Like nag-attend po ako ng mga general assembly, related to teaching.
Pero dapat 10 days. Kaya diri nga ni 10 days, diri hiya maihap.
Okay. So, di rin na po yan credit, sir.
Oo, dapat 10 days. Pero kung senior high school, nano ka, di nga nag-apply. For elementary, junior high school, dapat ang certificate niya 10 days good. Pero kung na senior high ka, pwede hiya. Thank you, Adeline. From Jeffrey Poblete, good day, sir. As lang po kung pwede ako mag-switch into TVL, pero na akong ginpasa high school is applying for academic. Depende hanimo specialization and the committee, the school can assess that one if you're indeed for academic or for TVL. Because if your preparation is for academic, I believe you're applying for senior high school. If you are for academic, your baccalaureate preparation and trainings will attest to that. And if you're an applicant for TVL, you should have an NC2 or TM certificate. Ipaklaro la eskwelahan nga imuin, applyan. Sherlyn Orali, good morning sir. Kung perfect na demo ng interview, mag-demo pa ba ito niya na? Pero Dio 22 pala ako yan na. Last March 20 ako nagparang. Diri na pwede gamiton, Ma'am Sherlyn, and DepEd Order 22. Kaya natin gagamiton niya na is DepEd Order 7. So we want to level the field. For example, DepEd Order 7 and teaching experience is only 0.15 per month. Sa DepEd Order 22, 0.50. So dako oraran baya, magdadakuan lamang masisinay ito na haton ang mga bagong applicants. So we make use of the same DepEd Order number 7. So kung DepEd Order 22 ka, diri ka pwede magpa-retain. Ang ipaparetain nimo ang dapat ang imo IAS nga kanan DepEd Order number 7. From Cristel Novicio, hello po sir. As lang po if nag-demo pa po at NC2 Bread and Pastry. Ma'am Cristel, if you are an elementary or junior high school applicant, yes, magde-demo ka if you are a new applicant. For senior high school, there na no need of the demo. Agent Bernales, sir, as lang po kasi paki-answer po sir. Please paki-answer po sir. Napasok po ako sa recap last March 2020. Pwede po i-update ko na lang. No recap po tayo. Your no update, as I said, no upgrading or updating or for retention of your scores if your scores is for DepEd Order 22 sa calibration. Ang gagamitin po natin kung may retention ay yung points ninyo sa DepEd Order 7 kasi yung gagamitin natin para sa mga bagong applicants is DepEd Order 7. We wanted to make it fair and square for all applicants, be it old and new. For juvenile process, thank you po so much, Sir Moises. God bless, more power and good health always. Well, thank you, Jubilin, and welcome. Maria Rochelle Obias, good morning, sir. Ang 2019 po na nagparang, pwede pa po bagyap at grading and points? Yes. Marilila Buganda, sir. Last year, LM po ako gina-applyan. Pero wala ko makasunod kay wala kay PT. This year, high school po akong gina-applyan as value teacher. Okay lang po ba ito? Depende, han-imo, Maridel, han-imo license PRC. Kaya kung han-imo license PRC, nasugad nga secondary school teacher ka, dapat secondary ka. Kung elementary, dapat elementary ka. Please revisit your PRC rating, your board rating. Make the final decision based on the document that you have. Jeffrey Oliva, good day, sir. Asla po kung saan pwede magpa-evaluate ang namon documents and din ang venue. Kaka-join ko lang po kasi for those latecomers like Jeffrey, you submit all your documents to the district office. If you are a secondary school applicant, submit that one to your school head in the secondary school, and your school head will be submitting that one to the district. Para elementary applicants, submit that one to the district office, and the district office will be forwarding in bunch the applicants for both elementary and secondary to the division office. We do not allow individual applicants to be submitting their documents to the division office kasi mahirap na yung panahon ngayon, may mga travel restrictions at nandiyan pa si COVID. Jeffrey Poblito, thank you, sir. Welcome, Jeffrey. Mary Jean Alihan, sir, good morning. Anakon po kasi address nga nabutang ang pag-online register is Calbiga, pero Gandara po kasi ako nagpasa papers, okay la po at to, sir. Ala, dapat kung elementary ka, may localization kasi tayo. So if you are from Calbiga, you should submit your documents to Calbiga. But if you're not from Gandara, ayaw i-submit to Gandara. But if for junior high school, dapat meron tayong high school sa Calbiga, dapat doon ka nag-submit. Joshua B. Arsenio, good morning po, sir. Pwede po ba mag-upgrade ng written and wala makasunod kayo last year? Kulang yung PT. Pwede, basta pag-check name mo, pag-abutan ng PT, maka-70 ka. Pero kung sobra pa, mas labi na. I-submit na yun, submit a letter for retention. Annalyn Baro, sir, nag-apply din po ako sa Leyte Division for Senior High School. Mas nauna po ang MPT schedule ko dito sa Samar kaysa sa Leyte. Concern ko po, sir, mag-take pa ba ako ng MPT sa Leyte or hindi na po? It's up to the Leyte Division. Your concern, your query should have been forwarded to Leyte. Pero kung ako yung tatanungin mo, hindi na siguro kasi isa lang yung BEA natin. Bureau na in charge sa examination. Makikita yung pangalan mo doon kung mag-appear ka ng twice. Maria Michelle Concepcion, sir, good morning. Clarify lang po, sir. I teach 3 years po sa private and akong letter of intent po, naka-state ng academic subject po ako na-applyan. Media and Information Empowerment Technologies. Bali, Hayums pa pupunta na bilong. Tama po po, sir? Yes. Ayan, Biduya, sir. Senior high school applicant pa ako, sir. Confirm ko lang po, sir. Bali akong nag-submit na po letter of retention, then additional documents to be added for updating. Yes, correct, Ayan. Aiden Bernales is raising his hand. May concern ka, Aiden? For those who were not able to join this virtual conference, virtual orientation, just relay the information and tapos ipabasa na lahiran DepEd Order number 3, series of 2016 for senior high school and DepEd Order number 7, series of 2015 for both elementary and junior high school. Jubilin Cataros is raising her hand. Jubilin, You have something to say? If there's none, I would like to say thank you for your queries and concerns. It's 12:02 now in in my watch, and I, I think it's time for us to munch our lunch. And I would like to thank you all for joining this virtual orientation. Salamat, mga salamat, and see you during the interview and demonstration as scheduled. If you have already a copy of the division memorandum, admin yan maupay, pag-prepare ka mo, han maupay para han demo ng interview. Let's make it a point that that will be the best day in your life. It will make and unmake your inclusion in the RQA, and we wanted to see you all in your appropriate attire. Kung mahina ang signal, maghanap po kayo ng signal na maganda para hindi maputol-putol yung inyong presentation during the interview and demonstration teaching.
Hello,
Ruby?
sir.
Ruby?
Hello, sir.
Ruby?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Inform na ang mga district heads nga sayra na ang pag-submit. Ada memo?
Yes po, sir. Memo po.
Sige,
Hello-
follow up
hello
na
po,
lang
sir.
mga district heads. Follow up na lang mga district heads nga kung pwede, may submit Friday. Inform.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay po. Yes
Okay,
po.
thank you.
Hello?
Yes, Manolit Pineda,
Hello, sir.
yes. No, one more. Sige.
Sir, mapakiaan na lang. Good morning po, sir. Pero mapakiaan na lang po, sir, na makatapa ko yung office para pag-direct po na akong ngaran nga waray po alis.
Kan Ruby, Manolit
Sir Noy,
Pineda
Sir
ko.
Noy.
Ruby.
Yes po, sir. Sir, for the
Sige.
information everyone po, sir, ato po na mga posted list for the purpose of orientation la po to, since limited din po natin pwede ma-accommodate,
Kaya-
asya po to ang kulang na po.
Thank you, ma'am. Amulapad to. Clarified na po, ma'am. Clarified na po. Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Welcome,
Manolit. Thank you. Ruby,
Thank you po. God bless. Bye-bye.
kung may pakit niyan na kulop, Ruby.
po.
May pakit na
Yes, sir
kulop
po.
ka muna lang. May naklakad din na kulop. Pero nanong oras, sige, magtikang kit.
Sir,
Alam na, tas matapos kita alas 2. Pwede?
sige po, sir. For the senior high school, para po may dapuhera,
Sige, senior
Guide.
high school. Sige, alaw na nga to
ipupost
alas
ko lang
2.
dun
Kaya,
tama.
sige, alaw na nga to alas 2. Kaya may lakatak magkikita kami ni Manny Pacquiao.
Okay, sir. I-hug na lang.
Okay, for those who are joining us virtually, thank you for your time. In spite of the short notice, you were able to make it, and you have shared I have also shared the information, and you have been clarified. And please echo this information to the rest of the applicants na hindi po naka-join virtually kasi limited yung space natin sa virtual room. And I would like also to thank Ruby, Rothel, and Ronnie is with us. Thank you for this their time, and have a nice day. Thank you.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Ayun.